नागरिक हूँ जिसके होठों में गंगा और हाथों में तिरंगा है। वो देश जो कभी सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम, कभी वंदे मातरम और कभी पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्रवण उत्कल बंगा है। मैं उस देश की नागरिक हूँ जो हर ठुकराए हुए की शरण स्थली बन जाता है और सात समंदर परदेशियों को भी अपने ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स कहकर बुलाता है। यही प्रेम की पूजा भूमि भारतवर्ष कहलाता है, भारतवर्ष कहलाता है। गुड आफ्टरनून रिस्पेक्टेड सेक्रेटरी सर, honorable vice principal sir, my colleagues and my dear students. I, Rahila Tak, English lecturer, Lotus Model Academy, Higher Secondary School, Thatri, in front of you with a short speech on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. As you know, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an event to be organized by Government of India to commemorate the 75th anniversary of India's independence. In this event, India is celebrating the glorious history of its people, culture and achievement. It was started on 2nd of March 2021 and will continue till 15th of August 2023. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is basically a government initiative taken by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi to pay a kind of respect, gratitude and huge honor to those who fought for our India's independence. Those who sacrificed their lives and everything for our country. This is a time to show our respect and honor to them who are not among us today, but because of whom we are breathing freely today. And not by celebrating in the form of various activities will bring their lives back again, but indeed their souls and spirits will feel at ease. And most importantly, it becomes our moral and social obligation to do this all. You know, thousands of personages were killed ruthlessly by the British savages. And let me ask you people, how it comes that we will remain at ease without celebrating the Day of Independence? Dear learners or dear listeners, we should join our hands together and do celebrate it with passion, zeal, energy and enthusiasm. If we will put our every effort in doing this great task, still we will not compensate our India and we can't pay our debt to our freedom fighters. You know how crucial and important everyone feels its life is, and so was theirs. They were also having their kids, parents and families. They put all the things aside and struggled for our independence and fought till their last breath. Today we are enjoying equal rights, equal share in power, equal participation in social, political and educational meetings. Everything is not only because of them. So it becomes our utmost duty to respect their endless efforts. Yes, this is the right time and most importantly the right place where we must show the reverence and do the best of our for the maintenance of our freedom. We should not take it for granted because the maintenance of our freedom is more important than its attainment now. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.